Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, I've got some more mail calls I'd like to share with you guys. I'm just restacking back up on some goods here to share with y'all, to play with, and to make more content for you Lock Junkies out there. I said I was back, so I'm back. This is what we do. You remember? Alright, so we got a few packages here I want to share with you. The first one, this one here, we're going to do, we'll move that aside, Alright, so this first package here, I'm really excited to open. I'm excited to open all of them, but this one here is, comes from the hard-working heart and hands of Mr. Lock-Picking Paul. It's finally here, buddy. You know what this is. Let's get it. So, I gotta be careful because I don't... Okay, perfect. Did I? Okay. I hope I didn't wreck anything inside here. What's this? Oh, shoot. There's personal information on the back of that, so... Okay, no one saw that. I'll have to go over this and make sure. Let's slide that in there like that. It's already cut. Alright, perfect. No damage. Yay! And plus I should know my brother love, Mr. Lock-Picking Paul, packages every package so professionally. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. So, first and foremost, yes! This is awesome. First and foremost, we're gonna dump out the swag bag from my broski. This is awesome. You know why this is awesome? I'll tell you why this is awesome. Bada bing, bada boom. My first official classic mini button from Lock-Picking Paul. Thank you. Love it. I now finally have one of these badass poker chips from our boy, Mr. Lock-Picking Paul. That wasn't very slick. I'm sorry. Look at that. What? That is dope. I did not have one of these yet, and I also am first time receiving his badass sticker. What? Thank you so much, Paul. And he's thrown me a couple of extras here, so you guys know what I do with my extras. These will go inside the Lock Junkie sticker and poker chip bundles that I love to send out. So, those are going in there. So, thank you very much, Paul. I appreciate that. Yeah, I love that shit, man. That's badass. I love your logo. Love it. And if I'm not mistaken, that's another masterpiece that was created by our one and only Parky. Rest in peace, brother. Beautiful. Okay, moving on. The piece de resistance. Wait till you guys see this. My brother W3OY Ray was lucky enough to get his hands on one of these as well. So you guys may have already seen, I'm going to reuse that, this, but I got to share with you guys. Look at this. This is, this is the one and only version 1 of the katana. Now, I forget what type of wood this is. I'm so sorry. But, come on, guys. Oh, yeah. Come on, man. Haha, I love it. Oh, bro. I just love it. So, my go-to pick every day is pretty well this guy right here. Rob Lawn's Curve, he calls it. And look at the reach. Wow. That's right, just a moment of silence. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Paul. Honestly, bro, thank you so much. And I've got some good news for you. Where is it? Mr. Paul, look what came in the mail today as well. That's for you, bro. Has 2 keys in here, and it comes with an extra key from my brother. All right, so just know that that finally made it, and I will be sending that out your way along with another little something special for you. I think you know what I know what that is. But yeah, once again, everybody, this is the Katana version 1 from Lockpicking Paul, made for Lock Junkie. Look at the fucking reach on that. Holy shit. I could pick his nose from here, and he's in England. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Thank you so much, Paul. Your poker chip is going on the top shelf. Your sticker, as I always do, is going up on the board right now. Cool. Okay, this is going right up there. Beep, beep there. That won't come off my hand. There we go. Oops. I love how I do this while you guys are just sitting there. But that's got to go up. Because my boy deserves a spot on the board. Just so you know, Paul, my brother love, you're on the 3rd board right next to Steve. Okay. And your button is also going up on the top shelf. My memorabilia shelf from all my Lock Sport buddies. And then your custom pick is going to go with my other customs. So I don't have I need to get another chuck wheel from Lock Chuck, but for now all of my my customs are in this, not all of them, but a good section. Oh yeah. And then of course, Paul, you know what this is, don't you? So yeah, we got a nice little collection going there. And then obviously, of course, my brother Nigby and my boy Rob. We got the collection going. It's getting there. I'm gonna have a custom from everybody. That's my goal. My goal is to have a custom pick from every maker in the community. And we're on our way. We're definitely on our way. Sorry for getting off track, guys. Thank you for putting up with me. Next package. 10 minutes in. Holy moly. Should I do all these in one video and get them done? This is going to be a long one, but that's okay. I got Lock Junkie fans. I hope you guys stick with it. If not, this is for my own personal records. Just because, you know, everything that goes on here in my journey, I want to document it because what an experience. What a community. Right? Am I right? Come on, guys. Next package. This one is from the one and only Burn B1. Got introduced to him from RecDex, aka DNR, definitely not Reiki. I don't know if I said that right. But he introduced me. I said, hey, I need some more custom flags. I would like to build up my collection. I only have the one that I really love to use, which is Nigby's, which is this bad boy right here. This is what I slay all my dimple locks with. But aside from that, all I have are these cheap Gozos, which were a gift from my friend Lockpicking Fisherman, which I'm very thankful for. But they're really hard to move in the keyway with this big, like, fucking rectangle fucking shaft. It needs to be sanded down, and I haven't done that, and I don't think I'm going to. But yes, moving on, I have a couple of custom flags from Burn V1. A new friend of mine, like I said, he got introduced from another friend, and I was excited to get some more flags to pick with, because I'm on a big dimple kick right now, going down the dimple road. Gonna move this off camera because on the other side there's some. Oh wow. Really? Okay. Wow. Okay, so far presentation. Wow. So this is a B1. That would be for Burn B1. This is so cool. Okay, so he stapled this shut. Oops. I don't want to ruin this case, man. I actually really like this case. So what I'm going to do, okay, that's one. Yeah, I love this case, buddy. Thank you very much. I already feel like I'm doing a bit too much freaking damage to it. excellent. Oh, wow. Cool. I do not have I didn't know you had a sticker, bro. What? Yes, he does. Did Parky make you this logo? Or did you come up with that yourself? This looks very Parky-ish, but, fuck, man, that's so cool. Thank you. I got a Burn B1 sticker and a cool little case. Wicked. All right, that's going on the board. Sorry, guys, I appreciate you guys bearing with me here. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I got not one, but I got 2 flags. Oh, what? What a professional, bud. Cool. Check it out, guys. This is from Burn B1. Cool, man. Little, nice little homemade flag there. Very cool. Let's check this other one out. Oops. Cool. Right-handed, yep. Right-handed flag. Very cool, man. Very cool, man. I love it. Thank you so much, Burn B1. And I gotta go back up. I gotta go back up again. Here we go. We're going back up. You guys love me. You guys love me. Yeah, I love how this board is just getting filled up by the mail call, by the day. So Burn B1, just so you can see, it's official. You're up there on the board too, my brother love. And look at this mess. Look at this mess. Look at this embarrassment. These are all the chips and stuff I was able to put on a holder, but I got a new shelf. There's my boy, I love him. Love you, Bear. I got a new shelf going up right there, and I got a acrylic poker chip case to display all these, get them off the stands, and finally be able to put all of these guys in a proper spot like they deserve, because that's just embarrassing. Now I got a really cool case with some really cool flags in there. Love it. Bear, come here, buddy. Thank you very much, Burn B1. And as I said, links to Lockpicking Paul, Burn B1, and this next package is from Keybeard. All these links will be in the title of this mail call upload. So if you guys want to get your custom, beautiful custom dimple flags, get a hold of Burn B1. If anyone's ever looking for beautiful, beautiful katana style picks like this, you'll get a hold of Lockpicking Paul as well. His link to his channel will be in the title of this video. Okay. Okay, so these are gonna go there for now because I'm gonna have some fun with those shortly because I've got this multi-lock I'm gonna play with. Last but not least, holy shit, 20 minutes. I don't think I've ever made a video this long. Now, this here is my last mail call for the video for the evening. And this one comes from, no touch buddy, come here. This one comes from my good friend, Mr. Keybeard. Keybeard, my brother love, I love you, buddy. You kindly sold me some locks and also kindly ordered me a lock that you had found and searched out. I had told you about this lock and you're like, lock junkie, I found it. You want me to get you one? And I was like, hell motherfucking yeah, man, I do. And sure enough, him being the fucking soldier that he is, my brother love, my boy, my right-hand man, he went and got me what I wanted. So inside of here, there are some locks that I bought off of him personally, a lock that he ordered for me off of eBay, and I'm told there is a surprise birthday gift in here for me. The best for last. Okay, how can I do this? We're just gonna go from the top. Should be good. Nice. Perfect. All right. Stick that guy away. Okay. Let's do it. Zoom. What do we got in here? Actually, you know what? Okay. Holy shit. What is all this? Okay, honestly, either order more than I remember. Oh, nice. More swag. Either I order more than I can remember, or he just hooked me the heck up, man. I think he's hooked me up, man. I don't remember ordering all this stuff, man. What the hell? What is all this stuff? Ooh. Okay. My brother Keybeard. Just want to make sure there's no personal stuff on here. Aw. I will share this. Lock Junkie. Happy late birthday, my friend. Here is a fun box of lock goodies. Hope you enjoy. Also, you get a poker chip. As of right now, the only way to get one of my poker chips is from me alone. I decided to send just one chip to people. I don't want them in swag bags just yet. I kind of like the idea of people knowing they come straight from me. Keybeard. Aw, thanks, bro. That does make it even more special. So, as silly as this sounds, I keep all of my letters and memorabilia from friends in the community for when I'm long and gone. Something to look back on. So, thank you very much for this. That's also going up on the third shelf for when I get my new shelf up and expand my my love shelf up there, my memorabilia shelf. I want to find, yeah, right here. This is cool, man. This is even more special now. Got his creepy doll sticker. What? Oh yeah. Keybeard. Locksport, we're not thieves, we're hobbyists. Fucking right we are, bro. Yes, we are. I love it. Thank you so much, Keybeard. This is very special. Thank you. That's going up on the 3rd shelf with all my other... Oh no. Lockpicking Therapies pin pal. Sorry, buddy. But yeah, that's up on the 3rd shelf, the top shelf now, with all the others that will have a official long-term home in the brand new acrylic display case coming on my next payday. Now, let's get into the goods. Your sticker, my friend, I already have up on my board. I've got both of them, the white one and this one, the green one. Yes, they're right there. So this is going in a swag bag. I hope that's okay with you, brother. Let me know if that's okay, because I don't want to go against your wishes. Because I do already have one of your stickers, so I don't want to be disrespectful to you. Now, what do we got here? What is this? A Master Lotto lock, it's looking like. I have never had one of these. This lock belongs to John S. Department, HPS. Well, not anymore, it doesn't, John. It belongs to Lock Junkie now. Cool. I've never had a Lotto lock, Master Lock, to be honest. Now I can try one out. Cool. So we got that. Then, yes, I know what this one is. This is the Master 6385, I believe. 6835, something like that. What is this? 6835, that's right. So this is one Master Lock I didn't have, and I wanted to add it to my collection. Cool. What is it? 5 pins? Cool. Well, that'll be fun. Right on. Sweet. What's this? Oh, I think he said he was throwing me a bag of pins and springs and stuff. Let's see. What is this? Oops. What do we got here? Yep. What's this? Oh, cool. No, you didn't. You bugger, you. That's so cool. He threw me in a best. Because he's the best. He threw me in a best SFIC lock. That's so cool. I had one and I just gifted it to John Holistic because he really wanted it. So you got to give the people what they want. Now I have one back again, which is really cool because I actually really wanted to keep it. But for my buddies, I do anything. That's why John got it. Oh, what the heck? Hey, it's a best lock with a couple of blank keys. So it must be, what, 0 bitted then? Oh, excuse me. Very cool. What? What do we got here? We got some retaining pins, some standard pins. So these look like a bunch of key pins. And driver pins. C-clips, key pins, driver pins. Some wafers. Cool. Heck yeah. Look at that, guys. Whew. Sweet. Thanks, bro. Next, we're gonna go for this one here. What do we got here? Oddly enough, I don't have this one yet. Oh, cool. Master Lock 21. Commercial. I don't have this one yet. I've never picked this before. Fuck yeah. Cool, bro. Thanks, buddy. I should actually leave this down here while I'm showing off all your goods, so people know. Alright, what do we got here? Schlag kicks. Cool. What? Just what he said. A couple of schlag kicks to play with, to pick and to make into some CLs, which I'm so fucking behind on. Yes. Hi, Locksporter, if you're watching this, if you're even still subbed to me, fuck, you probably hate me. I owe you a challenge lock. I said I would make you one like 10 years ago, and I fucking haven't finished it yet. I am so sorry. And then there was someone else I told I was going to make a challenge lock too. I forget who it was. Please forgive me. They're coming. It's just when I get distracted with CLs, I get distracted from doing my belted locks, and I'm going for brown belt, so help me. But yes, a couple of schlag kicks. Very cool. Now these two things. This is a birthday gift, and this is what I was really wanting. Check this out. Look at this fucker. I've been wanting one of these ever since I saw Lady Locks with it on her channel. Shout out Lady Locks. Look at this fucker. Have you guys ever seen one of these before? It's a Master Lock 101. That's right. Look at that. Master Lock 101. This is badass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin core. All right. This big fucker, eh? I don't know why I've wanted one of these for a while. Uh-oh. There we go. That's wicked. Okay, cool. Damn. Okay. Sweet. So yes, thank you so much for the 101. Lady Locks, thanks for showing me this lock. So I told you I was gonna get it. Lock Junkie always gets what he wants. And I don't mean that in a negative, cocky way. Now, this is a birthday gift from my buddy and mystery lock, Junkie birthday gift. I wonder what it is. You guys want to find out with me? Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, forgive me. Should I keep? Here, just in case. I'm gonna keep the box in good shape, just in case. I'm not sure. Let's see what it is. Yeah. Oh, okay, never mind. What do we got here, guys? What is this? What? No way. Bro. That's fucking really nice. Guys, check this out. This is... I'm way off. I thought it was going to be something else. Honestly, you know what I thought you were going to send me, bro? I thought you were sending me the tubular one. But this is even better, bro. This is like vintage. I don't even know what kind of American lock this is. Is this Series 50? I have no idea. This is fucking dope, bro. 5-pin core. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. It is sprung. I was like, oh, that's different, eh? I was like, it's a dead core. I mean, dead shackle. The core's dead, but the shackle's not. Wow. Thank you so much, Keybeard. What a beautiful birthday gift. What a beautiful birthday gift. Wow. Well, guys, that's all I got for you this time. 35 fucking minutes in. If anybody sticks through this, you are fucking amazing, and I love you guys. So let's do a recap here. Lockpicking Paul, thank you so much for the pick. The wire, oh no, that's what I didn't see. The tension wire. Oh, it must be right here. That's funny. It's right here on the side. I was like, where's that tension wire? He's a slickster. Wow, I almost forgot. Silly, silly, silly. Silly boy. So, Paul sent me, before I run off on you guys there, Paul sent me these pieces of wire so I can fashion a couple of dual prong tensioners for the van lock that I'm going to be learning and picking for my second lock for brown belt. So that's where they are. Perfect. Okay, so now let's finish the thank you. So, Lockpicking Paul, thank you so much for the wire to make my new prong tensioners for the beautiful Katana 1 style pick. Love it. And your badass poker chip and stickers. Thank you. Next, I want to thank my good friend Burnby1 for the beautiful custom flags he made for me. Thanks, brother. And then last but not least, my brother Keybeard, the one and only Keybeard, my homie. Thank you so much for selling me these locks, hooking me up with these extra locks for my birthday, and then the birthday gift on top. Wow, beautiful. And then of course my 101 that I've been crying for. You made it happen. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Love you guys. Thank you all for watching. Do me a favor, if you are still awake and alive, like, subscribe, share, comment. Till next time. Ciao, boys and girls. I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.